The frying pan is already heated up. We'll pour the oil, some onion, tomatoes, waiting half a minute for all of this to fry. So our veggies have been frying for half a minute. Now let's add some sausages. And we crack the eggs. The fried eggs will be made with 4 eggs. They are kind of small. That is 3. And 4. Now we need to spread all of this out so it flows over the entire pan. Just about like that. Now we'll add some salt to taste. Well, and in the end we see the fried eggs are ready. For beauty, we'll decorate it a little bit with some greens, some parsley, something like that. We can add a little more. And some dill. Also adding a few olives. Well, that's it. Our fried eggs are ready. Bon appetit. Please subscribe and leave a like. This was Men's Kitchen. Bye!